Alright guys, so kind of unexpected today, but we're actually picking up the Outback. So super excited. I'm here with Greg. He gave me a ride down from San Diego over to Nate's Fab, and we got his lovely girlfriend, Stephanie. So yeah.
Mask up.
So this is gonna be like our first time seeing the Outback in like a long time. So I don't even know I don't know. We'll see.
1 hour later.
We just got finished talking to Nate. So Greg is gonna go ahead and pull out the Outback now, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look. We're actually taking the Outback as it is right now, and then we're gonna come back probably in about 2 to 3 weeks later down the road just to get everything else done. The things that we still need to get done are definitely the rock sliders. So we've been waiting on some steel plates to come in. So those are all actually bent up. Nate's gonna continue to work on them off the car for now. And then he's gonna tidy up the back. So as you guys can see, we got the spare tire mounted. It's nice and flush with the bottom of the bumper. So that's really nice. And then over here, we got the jerry can set up. Still pretty raw metal. So he still needs to mount a couple more things, finish the welds up, and yeah, paint it. License plate mount with a rear camera set up over here. And yeah, paint. That's ultimately it. It has the pin and the locking mechanism already, so that's awesome. He also wants to install like a little bumper stop right here so it doesn't hit the side of the car, and just tidy up the side right here. So that's all gonna look really nice once the Outback is finished. It's like super dirty right now too, so we gotta really give it some TLC when we get it back home. So that's pretty much it, guys, and that's the new Outback 2.0.
1 eternity later.
All right, guys, so now that the Outback is now back at home in the garage, it's time to respond to Miter's At Ignition Off-Road's 5 YouTube question challenge.
Our first question is, what are your 3 favorite types of videos on YouTube?
First type of videos like review, install, and tutorial videos, things that are informational and help me grow and just kind of like educate myself. Second would definitely be lifestyle and vlog videos. It ranges from like car stuff all the way to food to anything really, technology and stuff like that too.
So my 3 favorite types of videos are not the same. I definitely like more vlog, but like different types of vlog. His is more car related, mine are more like just girls doing stuff because we like to do random things. But anyways, besides the point, I like to watch vlogs as well, and also home decor videos because since we got our home, I like to do a lot of decorations. And thirdly, my next favorite type of video would have to be also adventure videos. I do watch a lot of the adventure videos that he does, so it's like it's time for us to wind down and watch videos together. So yeah, those are my 3 favorite types. So the second question is, what is the hardest part about YouTube?
Definitely for me, the hardest part about YouTube is spending that extra time to get the content for you guys, traveling, research, planning, and also like kind of like directing, like how we get the shots and everything. That all takes a lot of time, and then you spend the whole day out traveling and getting the content, and then you still have to spend X amount of hours just to edit the video itself. That's kind of like the biggest challenge for me, for sure, yeah.
So for me, the hardest part about YouTube is running. Yes, I said running because if you have trailed with us, you will see me running around, and I guess Mark will insert some clips of where he has seen me running or caught me on camera running. But that is definitely the hardest part for me, because if I were to be doing the editing and I am helping with the filming, running is definitely the hardest part for me, but it's okay. It gives me a workout. Number 3, what is your favorite part about YouTube?
Definitely for me, my favorite part about YouTube is just interacting with you guys, kind of showing you guys where we go, and just having that interpersonal connection with you guys through, like virtually. So, like, we get to reach out to so many more people through YouTube that we would never have been able to just locally and just going out to our areas. So, we love sharing our adventures with you guys and hearing your guys' feedback and being able to give you guys some real experience tips and tricks and things like that is also really fun to do, and that's what I enjoy most.
My favorite part about YouTube, especially this channel specifically, is that we get to go on different adventures, and it never gets boring. Even if we do the same trail, it's always fun, and I enjoy it. I like going places, even though we're in, a pandemic right now. We're slowly getting back into it, and yeah, I just like to go on adventures.
Yeah, and this is exactly how I convince her that I'm gonna spend X amount of dollars on a car and do these lavish things to a car that costs money, and that's how I convince her. So yeah.
Yeah,
to say that.
Basically. Okay, number 4. Could you walk away from YouTube and never look back?
At this time, it's really too soon to tell. I work full-time as a nurse, and I think Vanessa works full-time as a civil engineer, so we have pretty good, stable jobs right now. We don't necessarily need to do like YouTube full-time. It would be nice, it would be definitely fun to just travel the whole world, like the rest of our lives and document it for you guys.
I definitely agree. I am not as in all the videos as you've seen for our channel, so for me, I could walk away from YouTube because I do still have my full-time job, but I wouldn't say no if it ever came to the opportunity to travel full-time.
Yeah, and I think for you, it's like, oh yeah, no more running. Oh yeah, heck yeah, I can walk away from YouTube.
Yeah,
I don't have to run away from YouTube.
I
I can
don't
just
have to
walk
run
away. We did reach 1,000 subscribers not too long ago, so thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing and hitting those like buttons. Is truly tremendously helped our channel. Like, we were so small before, and now we actually hit 1,000, so that's great.
Exactly.
So what's is that the 4th? No, what's the last?
The last question. When do you think your channel is gonna make it big time?
I don't know. That's all really up to you guys. You guys have helped us get to this point, and we're not expecting it. We don't expect to get big time with this. It's just something that we love to do, something that we find fun, something that we plan to do during the times that we're not working. So this is kind of like our mental break, kind of like our guilty pleasure, so to say, that helps us keep sane and just keep working. So yeah.
Yeah, I would say it's not really about making it big time for us. It's more of like, it's a passion project, and it's something like, if you're passionate about, if you spend 10,000 hours on something, you will succeed or at least master that. And so I think if we really want to make it big time, I think calling it big time is a little funny, but if you ever want to do that, I think it's a matter of how much time and passion and effort that you put into something. So
yeah,
who really knows? It's only a matter of amount of time that it will take to see if we actually make it.
Yeah, so time will tell, and it's nice that we're actually filming this right now. We just hit 1,000, and we'll just keep this going and see where it goes. All right, guys, so now that we got the 5 YouTube question challenge done from at Ignition Off-Road, It's now time to nominate somebody else. So today we are going to nominate Danny Rocksteady and
JonDZ.
so we'll be staying tuned to see your guys' videos and hear about what you guys think about these YouTube challenge questions. So yeah, if you guys don't know who they are, I'll post a link in the description below and you guys can go ahead and click and subscribe to them. Please give this video a thumbs up as well and click that subscribe button. It totally helps us out with the YouTube algorithm and everything. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.
Bye.